Hey boys and girls, this is how you do your Quaver sound effects assignment. So go ahead and go to quavermusic.com/login. If you can't see the assignments because you're using the Google sign-on down here, you just have to put in the class code. So for that, you have to put in 43T7F. So if you're having any problem seeing the class assignments, go ahead and put in this code 43T7F and you'll be able to see it. Go ahead and push enter. It'll take you to your dashboard. From your dashboard, click assignments, and you're going to find one that says QSoundFX for today. So we're talking about how percussion uses sound effects in movies. We're going to do our own. So go ahead and click that one, push launch. And once you get there, you'll have a whole bunch of different videos that you can click on to make the sound effects for. I picked walking upstairs. You can choose your own, okay? So you're going to go here to your video. Whatever one you pick is launch. When you play it the first time, there's not going to be any sound. If you look here, there's no sound effects here. You can kind of watch and say, oh, okay, this is what he's going to do. He's going to stop, and now he's going to run. Okay, I need sounds for that. Oh, and a whole bunch of balls are going to fall down on his head. So I want to add sound effects to that. So I'll go forward. I can look at these different ones over here. A couple of different ones. And I can even change it to different ones. These are the ones that suggest for the video, but you can change it to these different sounds and explore. These are the different menus here. Or you can record your own. I'm going to go over here. I've already plugged them in. All you have to do is just drag the one that you like. Drag it down. If you'll see here, you can do it all on one line, but I wanted, when he's running up the stairs, I wanted the sound to happen a little faster. So I had to put them on different tracks, and so they could kind of overlap. You can't overlap on the same line, but you can overlap like this, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you what I added here, okay? So actually, first I'm going to add a hello. I'm going to record myself so you see how that works. So here he goes hi. I'm just going to push hi. I'm going to go back to right here. Hi! So now that I have a new sound thing that's been added down here to the microphone, so we can listen to all of it now. See how each of the sound effects I've put on this timeline. And it matches the video now. Okay, so all you do is drag the sounds from this menu down to where you think they belong on any of these tracks. If you want to make your own sound effects, just push this button over here. When you are done, go up to the menu button and push submit. That way Mrs. Ortiz will be able to see it and give you feedback. Okay? Good luck, and I'm looking forward to watching your videos. Have fun making sound effects for your music assignment today.